I mean, I say, hear me now. This is a soul fire production. Soul fire production. Soul fire production.
Yes, viewers and subscribers, welcome back to Night's Kitchen. So today, in Night's Kitchen, we're going to show you how to make spaghetti and prawn mix, like a little dish. Something quick and easy, okay? So what I've got here is my spaghetti. And I've got my pot of hot water here. I tip a bit of salt in the hot water, guys. Okay? And then you just break it. I'm going to break this in three portions. Not going to put them in. And smaller the better for me, I like it. So this is what I'm just showing you, a simple meal what you can do for yourself. So that's it, in hot water and a bit of salt just to break up the taste so it's not too fresh. And what I've got here is my prawn. Okay, in some lemon juice, just to cut some of the rawness from it. Okay, and I'm going to show you how to make it. So guys, please subscribe and share and hit the notification button. Okay, and you know in Night's Kitchen is just pure vibes. Pure vibes. And everything, we just cook with love. Yes guys, so my spaghetti is boiled. And what I've done is drain the water off there, yeah? You can use a drainer, you can use a strainer, you can use anything. For me, I just put the lid halfway, use my cloth, hold it, and then just tip it over the sink like that to drain off the water. So that's now drained. And what I've got here is my oil. My oil going. And I've got one onion. Just put one onion inside here. And then I'm going to remove the prawn from the water. I remove the prawn. I'm going to add, you can use soy sauce guys if you want, but I'm just going to add a tip of browning to mine. And then I'm going to add a bit of all-purpose. Yes guys, so my onion and a bit of soy sauce or browning, whichever you choose to use. I'm gonna add the prawns now. Then guys, what I've got here is some sweet pepper and a bit of carrot, just nicely diced. I'm just gonna add some like mixed veg to it. Mix that up as well. There you go guys. I'm going to leave that for about 5 minutes just to steam it. So the prawn can, you know, the flavor and everything can just steam in the prawn. Yes guys. So that's been there going for 5 minutes. So now I'm going to add the spaghetti to that. a night's kitchen. We're versatile. We do everything. Versatility. Guys, it just continue stirring. Whoa. One of the prawn run out of the pot. Seriously? Guys, I've got some sweet corn. I'm gonna add a bit. Not everything. Just a bit. You don't have to add it in yours, but I like to. See? Give it a nice finish. Look. I'm gonna add a tick more browning just to kinda. As I say, you can use a soya sauce. I don't have any soya sauce at the moment. So I'm just using browning. Love my bite. Only one thing. Almost have a browning. So guys, you see that? Lovely. Chinese cuisine. Right here at home. Beautiful. Look at that. Perfect. Yes, guys, look. Now add a little bit of all pea over it. Just a little tweaks of all purpose. Chinese at your doorstep. Chinese takeaway. Look at that. Oh, we have everything, man. Anything you need. Night's kitchen is here too. Very spontaneous, you know. Alright guys, I'm gonna turn on the flame and leave it for about 5 minutes just to steam. Yes guys, so as I said, finishing product, look at it. Noodles and prawn. Looking lovely. Okay? And that will be a meal. So you can do the same for your house. And the prawn that I've used is the part that is already cooked and peeled. So as you can see guys, quick menu, quick meal. This will take you about half an hour max to prepare in your own kitchen. You know, 45 minutes if you're new to it. But nothing more than that. So again, thanks for watching. Please subscribe and comment and share and hit the notification button guys. And as I said, if you can't cook it, night it. Brilliant. Thank you.